In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix without a black screen on Discord. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and type in Google Settings extension just like so, then go ahead and just press on enter. From there, go to the official Chrome web store right over here, and all you want to do is you want to make sure you do download this web browser extension, and it is basically going to allow you to access your Chrome settings faster. All right, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and activate this Chrome extension. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on settings. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar at the very top and type in accelerated right over here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so eventually you should see this option that says use graphics acceleration when available. And basically you want to make sure that this is actually turned off. So by default, it will be turned on, but basically you want to go ahead and turn it off, and you may need to go ahead and reload your browser. So please go ahead and be prepared to do that. Anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Netflix like you normally would. And then from here, all you need to do is you need to select whatever piece of content you want to watch, and then just go ahead and stream it to Discord, and it should fix it just like that. For safety reasons, I'm not going to show the exact process on screen. However, go ahead and try this out for yourself and let me know in the comment section down below if it does work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.